Faster. I'm late this morning. I hope today not raining.
Hello, Afiqah. It's raining outside.
Hello. What? I just washed yesterday.
Of course there is. Introducing the Smart Rain Laundry Sensor.
Wait, how does it actually work?
Glad you asked.
We use Telegram to send notification. When rain is detected, the server closes and a Telegram notification is sent. When no rain is detected, the server opens.
Wow, amazing!
But is it expensive?
Not at all.
It's only required 5 components: ESP8266, rain sensor, micro USB, wire jumper, and servo. Total cost?
It's only around 167.
That's actually cheaper than I expected.
Okay, I convinced. But how do I order?
It's easy.
Just scan this QR code and contact this number.
Tapi tak tahu lah.
Total
Oh, tambah skrip.
So easy. So Wafi, just scan.
Iannya ya.
8266 ESP.
That's fast.
But is it expensive? I terlanggar Afiqah.
Total cost?
Only around.
Bukanlah cakap tangannya. Alih lah daripada kamera.
Hope today not raining.
Guys.